So today is STEAM Day at Trimmier Elementary. They began 4 years ago with our program, having an all-day STEAM event for the students. So a STEAM event is many different activities for the students throughout the day. Each grade level, each class is involved in different STEM experiences. We also have the mobile STEM lab. STEM is important because all of the jobs, or almost most of the major jobs that students are going to be available to them, are in STEM. And so we want to provide STEM experiences so that our students can understand that this is where their passion might be. For girls, that they can do STEM. Robotics, technology, science, engineering is for all students. We do have it at 5 of our middle schools, but our goal and our hope is that every campus would be able to experience STEM in some form or fashion almost on a daily basis.